Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a broken TV mount with a TV on it. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. This is going to be for when your pull cords are actually broken. So my TV was placed on the TV mount, but the pull cords were actually broken. So how do you actually go ahead and remove your TV from the mount? Now, there's two ways you can actually try. The first way that people recommend is getting a tape measure and sliding it underneath your TV and using the tape measure prong to actually pull down the cord so that it unlocks your TV. Now, in my case, this didn't work because the pull cords were jammed. What actually ended up working for me is that I grabbed a metal wire, or a metal hanger in this case, and I actually used the metal hanger to push against my pull cords so that it would unlock the TV. So this is what worked for me, and I do think that between both these options, either of them may work for you, so definitely try it out. The metal hanger is what I used to actually go ahead and remove my TV from the broken TV mount, and then I was able to go ahead and install a new TV. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know to actually go ahead and do this. If you guys have any questions, let me know.